In this video, we will learn how to get the terminal size in Python. We will use OS modules get terminal size function. First, we need to open a terminal and, and write a simple script. I will use gedit editor and term.py term size py, and in this I need to import OS, and then call OS function get terminal size and save in a variable, and ps for terminal size and OS get terminal size function. And to print out the columns, we can call its property ts.columns. Print columns ts dot columns, and to print out lines, print ts dot lines. I just need to save and run this script. It's gonna save. Here there was a spelling mistake. I fixed it, terminal size, and now we need to run. Need to open a new terminal. And here we need to use Python 3 and a term size.py, and you can see it printed our columns and number of lines. So this way you can get the terminal size in Python. You need to execute this with Python 3 or higher. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.